Hey guys, this is Jordan. Today we're going to talk about how President Trump is pushing Republicans in Congress to include a payroll tax cut in the next stimulus bill that's currently being negotiated in Congress right now. So let's talk about what this does for employees and for employers, because if it is put into the bill, it actually could help both sides of that transaction, as it were. So for employees, it's actually going to make your paychecks bigger. You're not going to have to be paying in that 7.65% to Social Security and Medicare, at least through the end of the year. So you can go ahead and just count on almost an 8% pay raise in your check, which is great, right? You've got more money now to go spend on your expenses throughout the month, but also you've got more money to just put into the economy. And that's going to, in theory, it's going to get the economy kind of going quicker, right? On the employer side, you've got a better cash flow going now because you're not going to have to be paying in those deposits with your 941 payments quarterly. And so that's going to be a big way for you to get more money into your business bank account, be able to keep your employees on the payroll and also pay your vendors and just keep your business churning about, right? So this helps people who are employed, right? We talked about you're going to get a good bump in your paychecks. And then employers are going to get, they're not going to have to pay that liability in. We're not really helping anybody who is unemployed, right? So they're going to have to build something else in to help those people, which would be presumably those federal unemployment payments, right? But a lot of economists are actually arguing that this is not the most efficient way to aid Americans in this tough time, that there's actually other ways to do this. And so even in Congress, there's a lot of disagreement on if this is something that needs to go into the stimulus bill. And that's on Republican side and Democrat side. Both sides are not saying that they're really all that into this policy proposal, but President Trump and the White House is really trying to push it and trying to get it in there because they really believe that it will boost the economy. With all that said, Congress is trying to really focus on direct payments and expanding the employee retention tax credit, which we talk about in another video. So if you haven't heard about that yet, make sure you go check that one out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.